In this video, I'll show you how to view blocked players on your Xbox Series X. So for instance, if you blocked someone or if you accidentally blocked someone and you'd like to know where these blocked players are, all you have to do is power on your console, and then from the home page, press the Xbox button on your controller, and then use the RB button to go to your profile, and then select your profile, and then choose My Profile. And then from here, use the RB button and go to the Social tab, and then scroll down and find and select the blocked players option. So from here, you can now see all the players that you've currently blocked on your Xbox Series X. So that's basically it on how to find blocked players on your Xbox Series X. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.